Hi everyone, in this video we're told find the equation of the quadratic function with double zero at x is equal to -2 containing the point 3, 10, and it wants us to express our answer in standard form. So first off, we know that a function in factored form looks like this. It looks like f of x is equal to a times x minus r times x minus s. Now, what a double zero means is that if we look at the graph of a function, at the graph of a parabola, this parabola would come down and it would just touch the x-axis. So this would be x, this would be y, and we would get a single x-intercept. Now, the reason that we call this a double root is because when this is written in factored form, well, we've got two values. R is equal to -2, and s is equal to -2 as well. So our function f of x would be equal to a times x plus 2 squared. So there's actually two values for x that make f of x equal to 0. It's just that the two values for x are the same; they're equal. So there's two factors that make that satisfy the left side being equal to the right side when f of x is equal to 0. And again, it's just that the two values for x are equal. That's why we call it a double zero. So we can write our equation in this form because we know what r and s are. And next, we're tasked with finding what a is. So to figure out what a is, we've got another point on our graph, and we can compute, or we know that f of 3 should be equal to 10. Well, if f of 3 is equal to 10, then that means that 10 should be equal to a times 3 plus 2 squared. So if I solve this equation, I get 10 is equal to a times, well, let's see here. 3 plus 2 squared is 20. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. So I've got 10 is equal to 25a. If I divide both sides of the equation by 25, I get that a is equal to 10 over 25. And 10 and 25 are both divisible by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So I get that a is equal to 2 over 5. So my function f of x is equal to 2 over 5 times x plus 2 squared. Now, in the question, it asked us to express our answer in standard form. Now, this is not standard form. This is factored form. So in order to figure it out, or to get the equation in, or the function in standard form, we just have to expand this. So we get 2 over 5 times x squared plus 4x plus 4, because when you square x plus 2, you get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now we can distribute 2 over 5 to each of these terms, and we get 2 over 5 x squared plus 8 over 5x plus 8 over 5 is our function in standard form when we distribute 2 over 5 into the brackets. So finally we can say, therefore, the function is f of x is equal to 2 over 5 x squared plus 8 over 5x plus 8 over 5.